మీకు అప్డేట్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కావాలనుకుంటే బెల్ బటన్ నొక్కండి. రాజేష్ లెక్కలు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. బీటెక్, డిగ్రీ, ఇంటర్, పాలిటెక్నిక్, ఎస్ఎస్సి, ఆల్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ నా వీడియోస్ ఉంటాయండి. వెల్కమ్ టు రాజేష్ లెక్కలు. టుడే అవర్ టాపిక్ ఈజ్ random variables and continuous function. The subject probability and distribution and BTech and degree students. The probability density f of x of a continuous random variable is given by f of x equals c into e power mod x, e power minus mod x, e power minus mod x. Now here limits minus infinite less than x less than infinite, show that c equal 1 by 2 and find the mean and variance of the distribution. Also find the probability, I written here shortcut probability, that the variate lies between 0 and 4. Okay, this is very most important detail, students. Listen carefully. See here solution. We have minus infinite to plus infinite f of x dx equal to 1. See, what is the c value? What we find here, c equal to 1 by 2. Okay, remember that. See, what is the condition here? Minus infinite to plus infinite. Okay, this is the odd function, then it convert to the even function. Okay, see here, minus infinite to plus infinite, 2 into integral 0 to infinite. This is the even function. Okay, that equal 2 into, that implies 2 into integral 0 to infinite. What is f of x? C into e power minus mod x dx equal 1. Okay, that implies 2 into c integral 0 to infinite e power minus mod x dx equal to 1. See here, x is a even function, because see here, this is a 0 to infinite, that equal 2 into c, that equal to 0 to infinite e power minus x dx equal 1. Okay, that implies 2c. Now e power minus x, what is that? Minus x by minus 1 into 0 to infinite equal 1. Okay, that implies 2c, upper limit substituting here, minus e power minus infinite minus of minus e power minus of 0. Okay, that equal 1. That implies 2c e power minus infinite, what is that? 0. Minus into minus plus 1 equal to 1. That implies 2c into 1 equal to 1. That implies 2c equal to 1. C equal to what is that? 1 by 2. This is the proof. Okay. Right, solution. Second one, see here, mean find out. Mean of the distribution equal to integral minus infinite to plus infinite c into e power minus mod x into dx, that equal, see here, sir, x into f of x dx. Okay, minus infinite to plus infinite, x into, what is that? C into e power minus mod x dx, that equal, c value, what is that? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 taken outside, minus infinite to plus infinite, x into e power minus mod x dx. This is a x power 1, it is a odd function. Okay, see, since it is a odd integration, this is equal to directly 0. Mu equal, what is that? 0. ఆడ్ ఫంక్షన్ కి వాల్యూ అనేది మనకి 0 అవుతుందండి. ఇది బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలండి. ఇలా వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ x స్క్వేర్ ఉందనుకోండి, దట్ x స్క్వేర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మనకి ఏంటంటే ఈవెన్ లోకి వెళ్తుంది, మనకి ఫోరియర్ సిరీస్ లో వస్తుందండి. ఇది మీకు ఇలాంటిది మీరు అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోకపోయినా ఇక్కడ కూడా మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ ప్లస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ మాడ్ ఎక్స్ డిఎక్స్ అనుకోండి. ఆఫ్ ద డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ ప్లస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ మ్యూ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ డిఎక్స్. See, what is that mu value? Mu equal to 0. That implies integral minus infinite to plus infinite x minus 0 whole square f of x dx. Okay, that equal integral minus infinity plus infinity x square. What is that f of x here? C into e power minus mod x dx, that equal to c value. What is that? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 taken outside here, minus infinity to plus infinity x square e power minus mod x dx. See here, since it is even integrand. It is even integrand because of x square here. So that is even function, that equals 1 by 2 into integral 0 to infinite x square e power minus x dx. Okay, now 2 get cancelled. Sir, ఎలా సార్ చేంజ్ చేశారంటే ఇంతకుముందు మీకు చెప్పారండి ఏంటంటే ఇంటెగ్రల్ మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ టు ప్లస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ టెన్స్ టు దిస్ ఇస్ ద 0 to infinite అని చెప్పేసి. ఇది ఆడ్ ఫంక్షన్, దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఈవెన్ ఫంక్షన్. దెన్ కన్వర్ట్ ద ఈవెన్ ఫంక్షన్. ఓకే, see here, this is a u, this is v. Okay, right? x square e power minus x by minus 1 minus 2x e power minus x by 1 plus 2 e power minus x by minus 1. That implies 0 to infinite. Okay, see here, e power minus infinite, what is that? 0 0 0. Okay, 0 minus 0 plus 0 minus 0, substituting here x replaced it, 0 0 0 minus 0 plus 2 into 1 by minus 1. Okay, see here, that equals minus into plus, minus into minus, plus, that equal to value 2. Next question here, what is that? Also find the probability that the variant lies between 0 and 4. Okay, next last one is here, the probability distribution lies between, what is that? 0 and 4. Okay, probability 0 less than or equal, x less than or equal 4. Okay, that equal, what is that? 0 to 4 f of x dx, that equal to integral 0 to 4 c into e power minus mod x dx, that equal c value 1 by 2 integral 0 to infinite, 0 to 4. What is that? This is the even. Okay, minus x dx, that equal 1 by 2. What is that? E power minus x by minus 1, 0 to 4. Okay, see here, that equals 1 by 2. Now see here, e power minus 4 by minus 1 minus e power minus 0 by minus 1. Okay, what is that? That equal to 1 by 2 minus e power minus 4, e power 0 1 by minus 1, minus into minus plus 1. Okay, that equal 1 by 2 into 1 minus e power minus 4. Okay, this is the probability of 0 less than x less than 4 problem. This is very most important problem, BTech students. Do you have any doubt? Please comment, please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you everyone.